how to create a private or hidden text channel in Discord. So first, within your Discord server over on the channels section over on the left hand side, go ahead and create a new text channel. So from the pop-up menu here, what you're going to want to do is, after you've selected text channel, make sure you select private channel. Now you can do this both for voice and text channel, but we're just going to show you for the text channel. So I'll just call this text channel private, or better yet, top dogs. And I'll add it to private, and then it'll ask who can access this channel. Okay, and I'm just going to set it off to start here and just put as system admin. I currently don't have any other roles in here that I really want to be able to access the private channel. However, I do plan on creating ones that should have access to it. So for right now, I'll just leave it as sysadmin, and I'll click on create channel. Then over on the left hand side, you'll notice that the channel has been created and that the little hashtag now has a little lock icon next to it, indicating that it is a private channel. So if I click on edit channel as well, I can go over to the permissions option here, and basically the roles currently for everyone is that nobody can read messages within the channel. Okay, but basically I just want everyone to not have this option to even do anything in here, so I'm just gonna completely lock it down. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on save changes. So now when other people join the server, nobody will even be able to see this channel or know that it exists. And that is how you create a private or secret text channel in Discord.